Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. The oven gasket helps seal the door, keeping heat inside the oven. Gaskets can become damaged over time and are often hardened by oil and grease. Without a good seal, the oven will lose heat and will not work as efficiently. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace the oven gasket. Let's get started. To begin, you'll need a flat blade screwdriver and needle nose pliers. Now, if you need a new gasket, then you can enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From there, you'll see a parts breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed for your model. Oven gaskets come in two styles, on the door or on the oven body. In either case, the repair is the same and is often easier with the door removed. Many doors have locking tabs that secure the door hinges. Use a flat blade screwdriver to release the locks. Now close the door until it rests partially open. Lift up to move the door off the hinges. Next, pull the door backwards. Now set the door on a clean work surface. First, remove the ends of the gasket. The rest of the gasket is held in place by spring pins. Use the needle nose pliers to grip the base of the pin and pull it out. Start at one end of the gasket and remove each pin, working your way around to the other side. First, align the new gasket with the holes. One by one, push the pins into place. Now use a flat blade screwdriver to push the ends back in. With the door almost closed, align the door hinges into the slots on the oven. You might have to push it slightly forward till it catches and drops into place. Next, open the door all the way. Now push the locking tabs back into place and close the door. You might notice that the new gasket seems larger than the old one, or that the door might not close all the way. It usually takes a day or two for the gasket to set. You can always lock the oven door overnight to help the gasket to form. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our AMRE location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.